Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marcus here with your outlook for the weekend, August 22nd and 23rd, 2015. High pressure is going to be in control here for Saturday, and it's going to be an absolutely gorgeous day. Low humidity, temperatures near seasonal averages here. We're going to have a very light wind coming out of the north, so you really can't expect much more a better day than you'll have here on Saturday. Just picture perfect across the entire region here. We have a system offshore. We've talked about this for a couple days now. This is a area of low pressure that was an area of concern listed by the National Hurricane Center. Really is not going to be anything of concern at all. It's going to move up here in this direction like this and very harmlessly just push up here. But we are going to have an increase of clouds, some wraparound moisture with that up here in New England. Earlier in the week, we were talking about that the models were indicating they'll be sneaking back here into our area here. That is no longer the case. We're looking at a partly cloudy day. We'll have winds out of the northeast here on Sunday, but I don't think we're dealing with any precipitation. It gets awfully close here. Here's looking at early Sunday morning, and Sunday afternoon and evening here. You can see the closest this wraparound precipitation gets might touch northern New Jersey here. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I do want to show you this because this is Sunday evening. Maybe a few spotty showers here pop up. This is probably about a 20% chance. Not a big deal, but we are going to keep northern New Jersey in that slight chance over the. This will be late weekend. For an opportunity for a passing shower here. You can see that just over northern New Jersey here, and that's not a guarantee. This is going to be very hit or miss, so I wouldn't get too excited about this. This is also late in the day, so the majority of your weekend is not ruined, even if this does occur. And you can see that's the extent of it right there. It doesn't get anywhere into Pennsylvania or into southern New Jersey. So if you're going to the beach this weekend, you will have the northeasterly wind. We'll have an increase of clouds on Sunday, more so than Saturday, but we're not talking about, probably call it mixed cloud and sun. The further east you go, you might have a mostly cloudy day up here across northern New Jersey, but for the most part, we're looking at a pretty good weekend here coming up. We're going to go a little bit further from this point and get into Monday now. And Monday, this cold front here is going to be approaching. We've been showing this for the last couple days also, but this really has the trends of this frontal boundary has been to be even more dry than it's shown right here. Here's your cold front right here like this. Obviously best forcing up here to the north with this area low pressure, very weak low pressure to begin with. So not a lot of moisture, a lot of lift with this. Would favor our western counties for an isolated thunderstorm. As this moves a little bit further along here past this point, you can see it kind of just falls apart. So not really thrilled with these prospects here on Monday, but we are going to keep an isolated thunderstorm or pop-up shower here late in the day on Monday with this cold front passage. And this cold front is going to reinforce some cooler, drier air to come in behind it. So when we get past this point, we're going to have winds turn to the northwest here, high pressure building for a couple days here. Tuesday we'll call it partly cloudy because the front's still not too far away offshore. It is offshore yet. So your frontal boundary is now down here, but you can see some precipitation with this. It's still relatively close to the area here, so we'll call it partly cloudy here for Tuesday. But after that point, winds we're going to turn to the northwest here. We're going to get a high pressure build back in here. We're going to have a couple nice days again to end the week here. It looks like we're going to be dry, low humidity. Temperatures are going to be actually slightly below average by a few degrees, but not by much. Just still hanging around the 80-degree mark or thereabout, maybe upper 70s here in northeastern PA, lower 80s down here across the Delaware Valley, South Jersey, places like that. So it's really going to be a fantastic stretch we're going through here as we get into later in the week here. Friday looks like it's a pretty good day also. That's going ahead of ourselves. Might have to deal with a cold front coming toward our area here the following weekend, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, August 22nd and 23rd, 2015. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.